Hi guys, good morning. I am Radhasyam. Welcome to my channel Technical Radhasyam. So today we will start string handling. So what is string handling? How many ways we can create string object? What is string literal? Methods present in string handling. So we will not cover all the methods here. So I will show you some of the methods present in the string handling and how they work. String comparison, string concatenation, why string is immutable, how to create an immutable class. So freshers can expect more questions. What is immutable, why string is immutable? So freshers, please concentrate on that. Difference between heap memory and SCP memory, string versus string buffer versus string builder. So in the final we will differentiate what is the difference between three. So let's start. What is string? String is nothing but a sequence of character, or you can say that string is nothing but a group of characters or array of characters. Can please see the example? So I created an array with characters and then I created a string object by passing the character array reference. So I got the string, or this is same as string is equal to Java. So string comes in the present in the java.lang package. So that is java.lang.string. So come to next slide. Creation of string object. There are two ways to create string object. One is by using string literal or another by using new keyword. You can see in the previous slide. See, I created string object by using two ways, by using new keyword and another using string literal. So let's see by how we are creating the string by using string literal. Java string literal is created by using double quotes. Okay, for character we are using single quote, but for string we are using double quote. String x is equal to welcome. So each time you create a string literal, the JVM checks the object first in string constant pool. So string constant pool is a memory area we will discuss later. If the string already exists in the pool, a reference to the pool instance is returned. That thing I will tell you bit I will give you more clarity in the next slides. Just wait for that. If the string does not exist in the pool, a new string instance is created and placed in the pool. Now come to next slide. Okay, now you can see example, string s1 equal to welcome, and again, so previously there is the string pool is empty. Now what I did, I created string s1 that is named as welcome. So the welcome now present in the string constant pool. So when I create the another string s2 with same value welcome, it does not create a new instance. What we learned in the previous slide, each time you create a string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pool first. Okay, first time welcome is not there, now welcome is there. So if the string already exists in the pool, a reference to the pool instance is returned. See, as in string s2 case, as welcome is already present, so it will the s2 will directly point to the welcome object. It will not create another object. So what the benefit we will get here? So the memory optimization we will get here as a benefit, because if many times I create a new string, then it will take more memory space. If the duplicate is, if we are doing the duplication, then it will take more memory space. But string constant pool helps us in memory optimization. So that is the main benefit of the string constant pool or string. In the above example, only one object will be created. Firstly, JVM will not find any string object with the value as welcome. In string constant pool, that is why it will create a new object. So as it did not find a object in the string constant pool first time, then it will create a object. But when in the string s2 I create another object, then it will check and find the same object is already present in the string constant pool. So s2 is pointing to the same object. So here it will not create another object, so it will point to the same object. Okay guys, now come to next slide. String objects are stored in a special memory area known as string constant pool. Okay guys, so got clarity about string constant pool? Okay, why Java use the concept of string literal? I told you before, to make Java more memory efficient. For this reason we are using string literal. How? Because no objects are created if it exists already in the SCP memory area. So guys, you understand? Let's see in the previous slide. As welcome is not present firstly, so first time when I created string s1, the object got created inside the string constant pool. When I again created object with string literal, then at that time no new object got created. So s2 will point to the same older object. So here we will get the benefit as memory optimization. Now come to the next slide. How we are creating object by using new keyword. Previously I showed you in the first slide, string is equal to new string of welcome. So if I created by using new keyword, so it will create two objects and one reference variable. How it creates two objects we will see. In such case, JVM will create new string object in normal, means in heap area, and the literal comes welcome will be pasted in the string constant pool. The variables will refer to the object in heap, means non-reference, null pool means in heap memory area. The reference will locate to that object. So guys, it will just be tricky. Some interviewer will ask, when you create object in the string by using string literal, then how many objects got created? So you have to say only one object is created, but if the same object is already present in the string constant pool area, then it will not create another object. But at the time, the second object reference, the second string literal reference will point to the same object. But when I will create by using new keyword, then at that time two objects got created. One is in heap memory area, another is in string constant pool, and the reference variable will point to the heap memory area object. So this in how many types we can create our string object got completed. Now we will come to the methods present in string handling. So okay, so here by using char int index. By providing the numbers, we can, it returns the char value of the particular index. Int length, it returns the string length. So guys, please try to learn all the methods, because these are the most important methods which you will use in core Java coding, as well as when you go further, like in the framework case, then you will get some more you will get acquainted with these methods mostly, because every time you have to check is the string is empty or not, is the value equals to other object or not, it contains the data or not, like that. So, and sometimes you will get some replace method to replace some word and or replace some character. So, and one of the most important method interviewer will ask you, the intern method. So guys, please remember intern method. Every time the interviewer will get asked, you have to tell the answer. And sometimes you will get in the, while doing some logical programming in the interviews, while the interviewer asks some logical questions, you can come with like index of character, and to move the string to uppercase and to lower case, and the value of method, you will must come with the value of method and the stream method. Okay guys, so now come to next slide. Now we will go for string comparison. We can compare string in Java on the basis of content and reference. Okay, it is used in authentication by using equals method, sorting by compare to method, reference matching by using double equal to operator. So let's guys see how the methods are working one by one. So by using equals method first. So by using equals method, the string class equals method compares the original content of the string. It compares values of string for equality. String class provides the following two methods. One is equals boolean equals method, and another is equal ignore case. So let me guys tell you here. When you are using equals method, it will compare the two string values. If suppose I created string s1 is equal to welcome and string s2 equal to welcome, then when I will use the method s1 dot equals to s2, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay guys, that is called equals method. So here welcome must be capital W and other letters are small, and in the second s2, in s2 object value is also welcome with capital W. If the one is capital W, another welcome is small w, then equals method will return false. So for this reason, mainly basically in our coding, in our project, we are using equals ignore case. So here what it will happen, so it will not check the letters like it is in uppercase or in lower case. It is check the value like welcome is there or not. Whatever is in welcome, C is capital, M is small, or M is capital, C is small, it will not go through that. It will just compare the strings by ignoring the case. Okay, so that thing I will show you in the code once we cover all the comparison methods. So by using double equal operator. So how? By using double equal operators, so we are comparing the reference. Let's see. So double equal to operators only compares the references, not values. So here double equal to operators only compares the reference, So guys, not values. Okay, so let's see. So that thing I will show you in the code, don't be worried. Now now we are going to case 3 by using comparative of method. String class compare to method compares values lexicographically and returns an integer value that describes if string is less than or equal to or greater than the second string. So comparative method will most used in case of when we will learn collection chapter and comparable interface and comparator. At that time you will get more use of comparative method, but here they are using normally comparative method to compare the strings. So s1 double equal to s2, then the method returns 0 when when we are using s1 dot compared to s2. If both the objects are same, then it will return 0. If s1 is greater than s2, then it will return positive value. If s1 is less than s2, it will return negative value. Let's see in the code now. So okay guys, now I need to close all the tabs here. So I will now create another Java project. By using the name string handling. Okay, now I created a project by using the name as string handling, and now I will create one package string comparison. Okay, I created a package. Now I will create a class by using the name compare by equals method. Okay guys, so I think it is good, it is well visible. Okay, so I created two string letters, s1 is equal to Sachin, string s2 is equal to Sachin. String s3 I am created by using new keyword Sachin, and again I created one string literal s4 by name as Saurabh. Okay, now you will check s1 dot equals to s2. So what I told you in dot equals, so it will first check the case and what the values of the string literal. So according to case, both s1 and s2 are same and the values are also same, so it will give answer as true because equals method return type is boolean. You can see here it is return type as boolean. Okay, now come to next, s1 dot equals to s3. So here when s3 got created, it will create two objects, another one is scp, another one is heap area. As already Sachin is present in scp area, it will not create another object in scp area, just point to the same object that is present in the scp area. So when you will check s1 dot equals to s3, then it will give the answer as true. Now s1 dot equals s4, so here you can find the values are different, so it will give the answer as false. So let's guys, we will see if I am right or not. Let me save it and run. Oh, what happened? Okay, so you see true, true, false. Okay guys. Okay, now I will create another class, so you will see of using of double equal to operator. Compare by double equal operator. So guys, I missed one thing, that is one method is there, equal ignore case. We need to cover that. So I created another string literal name as S5 and put as Saurabh, and here I will keep it as capital R. So let's compare string S4 with S5 by using equal ignore case. So what is the exact output we will now get? So we must get true. Let's see, we are getting true or false. See guys, we were getting true as answer. So you got the clarity how equal ignore case works. Okay, now we will go to double equal to operator. So I created some fields. String s1 equal to Sachin, string s2 equal to Sachin, and string s3 equal to new string of Sachin. So what will happen here? This object will be created in the string constant pool, and s2 will point to the same object, and s3 also point to the same Sachin of the string constant pool, but it will create another object in the heap memory area. Okay guys. Okay, now come to s1 double equal to s2. Let's see, both the reference are pointing to the same object or not. Yes, as Sachin is created previously by using s1, so s2 will also point to the same Sachin, so it will return as true. But when you go for s1 double equal to s3, here s1 will point to the Sachin present in the string constant pool, but s3 will point to the Sachin which is present in the heap area. Previously in the slide I told you the s3 will create two objects, and one in the string constant pool area, another is in heap area, but the s3 will point to the heap memory area. So now here the two memory locations are got different, so you will get as answer as false. Let's see is I am right or not. Set this file, let me run it. See, got it. Okay, now I will go for compare to method of the string. So I will create another class, compare by using compare to method by using compare to method. Okay guys, so I created three string letters s1, s2, s3. One is Sachin, another also Sachin, and then third one is Ratan. Okay, so as I told you, if two strings are same, equal, then it will give as 0. So when I go for string s1 dot compare to s2, then it will return as 0 because both the strings are same. When I compare s1 to s3, see guys, s1 is bigger than s3 because it is contain 6 subject but it is contain 5, so I will get plus value. if I compare S3 to S1, as S3 is small, then I will get -1. Let's guys see is I am right or wrong. See guys, you will get the answers. Okay, so while seeing this video, try to go to the theory and revise. You will not forget that concept. Okay guys, now we'll come to our slides. So guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. So this is part 1 of string handling got completed. We will see part 2. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.